Man, sometimes it feels like we never got out of junior high, doesn't it? And I noticed that after I had kids. My daughters come home and they worry about and talk about the kinds of things that they do, and I kind of roll my eyes like, what is that about? Talking about your friends and being all nasty, and the only thing you can say about your friends is what she did right and what she did wrong, and all of these stories and all of this drama. Yet when I get around DJs or other wedding vendors or other business people, oftentimes they spend a lot of time doing that same gossipy thing. Hi, I'm Bill Herman. This is the Creative License Podcast, and today I'm going to talk about gossip. And you do it. We all do it. We learned a long time ago, don't speak poorly about your colleagues. Don't speak poorly about other people in the business. Well, of course you don't want to do that, but why are you talking about them at all? Really, why are you gossiping about your colleagues? Why are we worried about what they think or what they do at all? It doesn't do anything except for create this drama, which all the time turns into, whether it be comparing yourself to other people or negativity around those people or whatever it is. Eleanor Roosevelt said, "Small minds discuss people." Okay, in fact, I think the quote was, "Great minds discuss ideas, average minds discuss events, and small minds discuss people." That's Eleanor Roosevelt. So when you do get together with people, what are you talking about? Are you discussing ideas? Because ideas create great things, and discussing your colleagues and what they do and what they don't do is just gossip. That's a small-minded thing, and that's not who you are. You create bigger, okay? Get involved and be a part of things, but be the person that moves the conversation to greater heights, okay? Greater heights. Be the greater heights, and not the small mind, but the great mind, by discussing the ideas, which is what I hope to do here when I discuss this with you, and hopefully you do that later. And then if you want to know more about what I do, you can certainly reach out to me, Bill at billherman.com. And if you want to gossip about the guy up the street, just let me know. I'll see you next time on the Creative License Podcast.